Hello everyone. This is Andrew's Playtime, and this is our big new fridge. You can see this. It's a Panasonic. This is what's inside. Some are still outside, but never mind those. These are more. Our fridge doesn't have all these stuff. Me and my little sister put them all here. The candy, some more stuff. So I can't just speak clearly. It was my wobbly tooth. That's the whole thing. The really big fridge. You can maybe see from the top, even the top. It's like Macy's ref. That's a new fridge, you guys. This is the end of this video too. If you like it, subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Generator.